Oh. I can finish it.
Find a place to put our things down and maybe go through the thing.
Okay. This is nice, honey, but it's a little bit too far. I want to ride on that one.
What one?
This one.
That's a lift.
Yeah, I know.
I don't think you can do that. I think you need a ticket to go.
No, I don't think so. Try to ask this guy. Try to ask. Okay. We'll go this side? Alright, let's go that side. Yeah, let's just stay at the main pool, honey.
Why would you do that?
For now.
No, it's not.
Ooh.
Straight down when you feel like you go off the thing, you like this. Line, and then it levels out.
We'll go at the center, hon.
I don't care. Wherever you can find a chair.
I think I'd like to do at the center. Huh? Even just this. There's 2 chairs here. Not hot.
Huh?
This. I don't think nobody's using. Put the towel on. Ah. Honey. Honey. Take a video of me for a minute.
Video?
Yeah. I'm just gonna stand up there.